Launch SmartLink C device to the vehicle's OBD port. It will quickly generate a link code. Next, send this code to repair shops or technicians expert who own both a SmartLink B device and an official Maserati Diagnostic tool. Once the technician receives the code, they can connect the SmartLink B device to the Maserati Diagnostic tool and accept the request via the SmartLink remote diagnostics platform. At this moment, it's as if an expert is standing right beside your car, using professional equipment to diagnose your vehicles remotely. They begin by selecting the BSM and EPS modules for calibration. After completing the calibration, they proceed with DTC clearing. In just a few moments, the warning lights disappear and the vehicle returns to normal. For newer vehicle models, it's crucial to avoid battery depletion or disconnection, as these situations often require specialized diagnostic tools.